Gotta get some first shots on camera. Another good shot. There you go. Now that we've cut out a whole bunch of layers of this foam, we're going to try and glue them together. Now, we have no idea how well this is going to turn out, but hopefully we'll end up with a pretty thick, looks like the layers of foam we have, we're going to end up with about 5 inches of, maybe 6 inches of foam layer. So we got our rubber gloves, we got our contact cement, so we're going to paint a layer of cement on here, throw one on, paint another layer of cement. And contact cement, you're supposed to do both sides, wait for it to dry a little bit and stick it together, but I don't know if we're going to bother doing that much, so because that's going to take a lot of cement, and it should hold together well enough. Okay, so we've let these sit for a while and get kind of dry. They're not perfect. I think we're going to have to tie them together with something because we probably needed to use a lot more glue. But it's a pretty nice, thick layer of foam now. It smells like getting high. And now we're going to draw our deer back on it. And hopefully we've got enough space. And then we're going to cut it out on the bandsaw. Hold that down.
Cutting this on the bandsaw will make a horrible mess.
That's dirty shop, man. Dirty shop.
It's gonna spread this stuff all over.
It's not like cutting that white foam. That white foam on a bandsaw is no good.
Yeah.
This is a terrible pin. All right, let's see what we got.
That's a pretty good outline.
It's kind of deerish. Oh dear.
It's got a tail.
It does have a tail.
It's a beautiful tail.
So we're gonna go cut that out now. Darn it! All right. So after we spent some time, well, after I spent some time tying this up, my son had the brilliant idea of wrapping it up with duct tape, which I cannot believe I didn't think of. But now we're going to do that. We're going to wrap duct tape around it, and that'll kind of tie the whole unit together. And then hopefully it'll actually stop an arrow, because we still don't know about that part of it.
I have to put it up against a hay bale.
I'm planning on putting it in front of the hay bale, but still. I'm hoping it will actually stop an arrow by itself. Okay. So. So, duct tape. You hold that part back there, and then I'll start taping it here. Alrighty, we got our deer decoy on our hay bale down there. We're going to see if it'll stop an arrow.
If we can hit it.
Alright. Do it. First shot for Logan.
I shot high.
Your deer totally got away. That deer totally got away. Oh, he's limping. We need to practice
That
more.
definitely stopped it, though.
Yeah. I don't know. He's probably running still. Oh, gut shot.
No, I mean, that target.
That's a kill.
Dead. That target's definitely stopping the arrows.
Nice. It's stopping the arrows. Good. Let's take a look. Now, if you're shooting a compound or something.
Maybe, well, I don't know. This did.
They didn't go in very much, did they?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ready?
Yeah, they went through the target, but just barely. That's pretty good.
Mine probably didn't. Oh no, they made it through.
You know, if I was shooting a higher power bow, I'd maybe put it, you know, another half thick again.
But I don't think that you're gonna get through that in any sort
Not
of.
with not with my bow. We'll have to get over a compound and shoot it with a compound
I'm
and
not
see what
even sure
happens.
if you get through.
Alrighty, I wanted to talk about this target after we've shot maybe like 1,000 shots into this thing. It's been quite a few shots, so it is not as durable as we would have liked. It probably had, you know, like maybe 1,000 or so arrows into it. We've been shooting at it for about a month and a half now, and we shot every day, multiple rounds. So it took a lot of damage in that time. So here it is. You can kind of see here that it's kind of come apart in the middle. It came completely apart actually. But basically it's mostly we just ate through all of the duct tape and everything around the outside and then just chewed through the foam. I think if we'd stopped midway through and put some of that like spray foam in here, it would have glued it back together fairly well. I might still try it to see if I can bring it up. But obviously it's just not as durable as a high grade target, but also you get what you pay for. And this is not very much. You could make, if you bought a roll of this foam, I think it was $100 for a roll of this foam, you could probably make 10 or 15 of these targets. Okay, that's probably exaggerating. You could probably make 5 of them in the same amount, in that bit of foam. And if you were making just round targets or square targets, if you just took that and blocked it up into blocks and made like cubes or something, that target would last a very long time because you wouldn't be putting all the arrows in one spot. We just shot all the arrows into this one center here and obviously blew it apart. So there you go. Cheap 3D targets, semi 3D. It's like 2.5D. We're gonna call it 2.5D target. Worked pretty good. Gave us something to shoot at for a while, but I'm gonna have to make another one or try and fix this one. But as usual, thank you for watching Dirty Shop. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot, and hopefully I'll be able to get a little more consistent on my videos here. I got bogged down and fell behind, but I've got a few of them in the background, especially some more cargo trailer stuff. So I'll see you next time.